everybody, that wraps up the video. Can we get this to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time there's a new video. And also comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Luffy from One Piece. Hopefully you enjoyed this message. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I decided to draw Luffy because I haven't done a drawing from One Piece in a while, so I decided to draw Luffy. And overall, I think the outcome came out super cool. Also, if you want to see more One Piece drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I actually have a Zoro drawing that I've been sitting on for 1 year straight, and I have the sketch almost done, but I haven't gone back to it, and I need to get back to it, and I need to finish that drawing. So let me know if you want to see that drawing by smashing the like button. I'm going to be linking out some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before they may really like. So make sure to check it out since we in the description. And I also have a One Piece drawing playlist here, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.